Hey everyone, welcome to the SMA Victor, where we talk about everything related to spinal muscular atrophy, SMA. Today, we're diving into something truly revolutionary for SMA families, Zolgensma. It's a gene therapy that has changed the game for those living with SMA, offering hope like never before. So what exactly is Zolgensma? How does it work? And why is it such a big deal? Stick around and I'll explain everything you need to know. Introduction to SMA and the role of the SMN1 gene. Before we get into Zolgensma itself, let's quickly recap what SMA is and what causes it. SMA, or spinal muscular atrophy, is a genetic disorder that affects the motor neurons, the cells responsible for muscle movement. It's caused by a mutation in the SMN1 gene, which is responsible for producing the SMN protein. This protein is essential because it helps keep the motor neurons alive. Without enough SMN protein, these neurons die off, leading to muscle weakness and atrophy. Over time, this affects the muscles used for movement, breathing, and swallowing. SMA is a progressive condition, meaning it gets worse without treatment. What is Zolgensma? Now that we understand SMA's root cause, let's talk about Zolgensma. Zolgensma is a gene therapy that directly addresses the genetic mutation causing SMA. Instead of treating the symptoms like other therapies do, Zolgensma works by tackling the underlying genetic issue. Zolgensma delivers a fully functional copy of the SMN1 gene to the body, allowing it to produce the missing SMN protein. This helps to prevent further damage to motor neurons and allows them to function more normally. How Zolgensma is administered. Zolgensma is administered through a one-time intravenous infusion, usually within the first 2 years of life. This one-time treatment is a huge benefit for families because many other treatments for SMA require regular injections or infusions over the course of a lifetime. Once the infusion enters the bloodstream, Zolgensma uses a viral vector, a harmless virus that acts as a delivery system to transport the healthy SMN1 gene to the motor neurons. The viral vector specifically targets the motor neurons that need the SMN protein the most, allowing them to start producing the protein. How Zolgensma works at the cellular level. Let's take a closer look at what happens inside the body. The viral vector carrying the SMN1 gene enters the motor neurons, which are the cells responsible for muscle control. Once inside the cell, the new SMN1 gene gets to work, producing SMN protein. By restoring the production of SMN protein, Zolgensma helps protect motor neurons from degeneration. This allows the body to maintain better muscle function, slowing or even stopping the progression of muscle weakness. The importance of early treatment with Zolgensma. Zolgensma is mostly effective when it's administered early, ideally before significant symptoms appear. Why? Because the earlier the motor neurons are protected, the better the chance of preserving muscle function. Children who receive Zolgensma early may be able to achieve key developmental milestones such as sitting, crawling, or even walking. Studies have shown that early intervention with Zolgensma can dramatically change the course of the disease, allowing children to have a much higher quality of life than if left untreated. Zolgensma's long-term benefits. Many children who receive Zolgensma show remarkable improvement in muscle strength and motor skills. While it is important to note that Zolgensma doesn't cure SMA, it significantly slows down its progression, allowing children to live more active, independent lives. Some families have shared stories of their children reaching milestones that were previously thought to be impossible for SMA patients. From improved breathing and swallowing to increased mobility, the impact of Zolgensma is profound. Potential risks and side effects. Like any medical treatment, Zolgensma comes with potential side effects and risks. One of the main concerns is liver function, as the treatment can put stress on the liver. This is why doctors closely monitor liver functions before and after the treatment. Another possible side effect includes elevated liver enzymes, vomiting, or reduced platelet counts. After the infusion, patients will have regular checkups to ensure that the treatment is working as expected and there are no serious side effects. The benefits of Zolgensma typically outweighs these risks, especially when treatment is administered early. Eligibility and access to Zolgensma. Zolgensma is approved for use in children under the age of 2 who have been diagnosed with SMA. However, not all children with SMA are eligible. The decision is based on several factors, including the type of SMA, the child's overall health, and the timing of the diagnosis. That's why newborn screening for SMA is so important. Early diagnosis means early treatment, which is critical for Zolgensma's effectiveness. To wrap things up, Zolgensma is a groundbreaking gene therapy that has given hope to many families affected by SMA. By addressing the root cause of the disease and offering a one-time treatment option, it's changing lives and helping children live longer, healthier lives. While it's not a cure, Zolgensma can slow the progression of SMA and help children reach important milestones. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe to learn more about SMA. Thank you for watching. Check the links within the description, and I'll see you in the next video.